I can't wait to hear more. Obviously, we've also got Diablo 3. There's Diablo 3. I'm saying it was so excited.
Very excited.
So excited, Diablo.
Very excited. We're colossally excited. Greetings, everyone. Hearthstone. So that was okay. We're going to try that again. Very excited to call up to the stage our next game, Heroes of the Storm.
This is what it's about. This is why we're here.
Kel'Thuzad is a ranged burst mage.
Esteemed Lich Lord of the Plagueland.
Crowd control spell. Damage. Skill shot that deals damage.
Betrayer of humanity.
Hearthstone enthusiast.
Major Domo to the Lich King.
It deals damage over time.
The World of Warcraft team.
We couldn't be more excited. I'd like to take a few minutes to go over it in a bit more detail. So, getting into this. So that's a quick overview. Now let's talk a bit about the features that are coming in this patch. But before that,
hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us here today. I'm Chaco Sonny from the Overwatch team. Now, last year, we reached a milestone, 30 million players. Now, on behalf, thank you guys. So Junkertown is an escort map. It is set in Australia. So now, I know what you guys are all waiting for.
Overwatch is made out of a group of very diverse heroes.
To introduce the next Overwatch animated short.
I've been really trying to hold back this feeling.
Get up,
for
Snowball.
so long. And if you
Rise and shine,
I got
sleepyhead.
come on. Oh!
She was crazy, stupid thick.
Let's get it on.
I have the chills.